Welcome to Modern Elite Firearms. We are located at 15745 San Pedro Avenue in Hill Country Village. That is the southbound access road to 281 between Thousand Oaks and Brook Hollow. Our telephone number is 210-281-5512. Our website is www.me-firearms.com. Our email address is mefirearms@hotmail.com. We are veteran owned and operated. We carry a full line of On Your Six Designs Kydex holsters. This is my holster of choice for concealed carry. Trinity Tactical Training. Mr. Bobby Williams is the person who does our concealed classes. Please call us for more information on concealed handgun classes. You see, we carry a full line of rifles, long guns, from your shotguns, tactical shotguns, regular shotguns, double barrel, AR-15s, HK, AK-47s, got 30-06, the Ruger 204 target, got some 22s. Look down here, this is mainly our Glock case. All the first two rows are Glocks. That second row are all Glock, previously owned by SAPD officers. Second case is mainly Sig Sauer. We got Sig Sauer 1911 P226. That whole second row is all 1911s. The bottom row, and my favorite weapon, my weapon of choice for target, is the FNS 9mm. And my weapon of choice, great weapon, and you'll see it posted on our YouTube page and later on our Facebook page, is this one down here. Is the Canik 55 made out of Turkey. 9mm, great little gun. Again, we are located at 15745 San Pedro Avenue in Hill Country Village. Southbound access to 281 South. Telephone number is 210-281-5512. Please note that we have specials all the time. Please look at our Facebook page, Modern Elite Firearms, on Facebook for any specials we are having. Please give us a call. Thank you very much.